Hi guys, it's me Sarah. I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to do a Kylie Jenner makeup inspiration, and I'm going to kind of follow this Instagram that she put up right here. And it's kind of like a natural-ish makeup look with like gold eyeshadow and really cool eyebrows and some lipstick. So continue watching and you guys will see the look. So first I'm going to start off with my Morphe M439 brush, and it's my foundation brush, with my Peach Perfect from Too Faced foundation. So this is my paler shade just because it is winter time and I'm pretty pale right now. So I'm just going to go in. So after I finish my foundation, I usually go right to my concealer, and I'm going to be using the Naked Skin Under Eye Concealer. And this is actually a really light color, so this is in the color Fair. So I'm just going to be going in about 2 triangles underneath my eye, like so, and I'm going to color them in. And I'm going to put some on my forehead. I watched a makeup tutorial where Kim actually put a lot on her forehead, and it kind of looks like a bird foot, so I thought that was funny. So I'm going to put a little bit underneath my nose where it gets kind of red, and then taking my damp beauty blender sponge, I'm just going to blend it all in by dabbing. Instead, no rubbing, just dabbing. Okay, so now that you're all blended in, I'm going to set my face with just some generic Covergirl setting powder. So I usually use the RCMA powder, which is what Jaclyn Hill uses. It's my favorite. It's really like long wear, but I'm about to run out, so I'm just going to finish up my Covergirl setting powder. Just going to go all around my face with it. So now that my face is set, I am actually going to go in and bake my face. So with another damp beauty blender sponge, or the same one, doesn't matter. I'm just going to use a different one because this one is like tapered at the end. So I'm going to dip it in my setting powder, and I'm going to put it in 4 places on my face. I'm going to put it underneath where I'm going to contour, and I'm going to put it right underneath my eyes so my makeup's bulletproof. So whoops. And then right underneath my eyes, I'm just going to stamp it, kind of getting a lot of product on it. Okay, so now that I look like a clown, I am going to move on to my eyeshadow. And I actually am going to use the Lorac Pro 3 palette, and I'm going to only be using 2 shades. I'm going to be using the shade First Terracotta. So I'm going to prime my eyes first with the Lorac primer that I got with the palette. So it comes out. And I'm just going to let the primer dry just for a little bit, just so the eyeshadow stays for a while. Okay. Actually, while my primer is drying, I'm going to glue my eyelashes. So I just have some Target brand eyelashes right now. They're cheap and they don't stay on very well, so I usually use like the Kiss brand. Those are my favorite. But I'm going to use a good glue, so I'm going to use House of Lashes glue in white, and then it comes on clear. So this is from Sephora. I'm just going to put a thin line right on the top of the eyelash just to get a nice little sticky film there. And the longer this dries, the easier it'll stick on. It'll get way more tacky, so it'll just be a lot easier to stick on. So going in with my Lorac palette with the color Terracotta, I'm just going to go in my upper crease line on my eyelid, just gently blending in. Okay. There's one eye, and then I'm going to do the other, same thing. Just blending as much as I can, because I'm not going to put anything above the terracotta, so that'll be pretty high up. Okay, so there's my eyes just with the terracotta. Then I'm going to move on to my cool taupe color, and this is in the Lorac palette as well. So I'm just going to put this kind of in like the corner bottom of my eye, so like right here, just to give my eye a little bit more definition. And then this side, same thing. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to go in my, so for my eyelids, I'm going to go in with this Color Pop. And this is Play by Play, and it's a very pigmented gold. So this is really awesome to put like right on your eyelids or whatever. It's super pretty. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Goes a long way. Okay. The other side. Alright. Okay, so that's good with eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go in, just put a little bit of eyeliner on my waterline, and then my eyelashes. Okay. So at this point, my eyelashes should be sticky and tacky, so they should be ready to go. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, so now that I have my eyelashes on, I am going to go on to unbake my face and contour it. So actually, I'm going to contour just before I unbake my face, just so I have like that line, so I know where to contour, like exactly. So I'm going to take this Sephora brush, and I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the two darkest colors, and I'm just going to make like a fish face and contour right above the bake line. So okay, there's one side, and then the other. Okay. And if you want it darker, you could always go in after when you do your bronzer and make it a little bit more like defined. So after this, I'm going to unbake my face using my Morphe E4 brush, and I'm just going to swipe away all the excess powder really gently. So okay, so now that the excess powder is gone, I am going to bronze my face. This is my favorite part because this is the part that gives you like the glow. This is the part that gives you the color. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever 30 Medium, and it's the Pro Bronze Fusion. This is my favorite bronzer ever. So I'm just going to go in with my Tarte brush, just start on my forehead, work my way down, past my temples. And that should be good. So I can always like build up my contour by taking, again, this brush or the other one, and just taking it with your bronzer, kind of building it up if you want more of like an actual like real sharp contour. So at this point, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my ColourPop E12 eyebrow brush to just brush up my eyebrows, kind of make them like, I don't know, groomed. I don't know the word to describe it. And I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. So I'm going to brush out my eyebrows first, just to get them a little bit more arched. Okay. The other one. so now I'm going to pencil them in. I'm actually going to use a lot of this just because Kylie Jenner's eyebrows are, they're pretty defined. They're pretty dark. So and if it looks too dark, you can always kind of brush it out with your eyebrow brush. Just kind of keeping that arch look. So there's one of them. The other one I'm going to go in, do the same thing. Just following my natural arch. Good. So looking at this mirror, I do kind of look crazy. I don't know how dark they are really, like looking on like the camera, but on the mirror they look pretty dark. So hopefully they don't look like too harsh. So I'm gonna go in now with my favorite highlighter, and it's the Becca Cosmetics Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop, the best. And I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe M501, and this is what I use for my highlighter. So I'm just gonna get a little. Put it right above my contour line, so almost the apple of my cheeks. Just put it in like that. And the other side. Just enough. And I actually put some on my nose the other day, like right here in the like point, and I looked like a Who from Whoville because it made my nose like look like it was pointed up. So never again. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush actually and put a little bit of this highlighter right below my brow bone just to highlight it, just to make it a little bit more defined, like that. A little bit in my, there you go. So one of my last steps that I'm going to do are, of course, the lips. So I actually bought this lip liner today. It's Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color Weirdo. So I'm just going to line my lips before I put the lipstick on. And I'm going to line them a little bit outside of my normal like lip, just because Kylie's are a bit bigger than mine. So yeah. So now that I have my lips lined, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Crush. And this is like my favorite lipstick of all time. Like it's the best. So I'm just going to go in. Oh god, I look kind of crazy. Okay, I just screwed this up. Look, I got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so I need to fix this. Look at this. Is it really bad? Okay. Alright, well, hopefully that's okay. Hopefully I don't look too nutty right now. Hopefully it doesn't look like I got like really bad lip injections. Anyway, so I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and just put a little bit on my lower lashes. So guys, to end off my little makeup tutorial, I usually do set my eyebrows with a gel, and this is just Great Lash by Maybelline. It's just clear like mascara gel, but I use it to like set my eyebrows just so they don't move, because they tend to like flop around a little bit. I know it's like shiny right now, it looks really freaky, but it dries, don't worry. Okay, just setting my eyebrows. Awesome. So to end my little makeup tutorial, I'm just going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter, and this is my makeup setting spray, so Voila. So, I know I probably look like I just dove in a pool, but I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup little tutorial. Obviously I don't look like Kylie Jenner, but I just wanted to copy her look. I love her natural type makeup. She looks so awesome with like a natural glow, like a natural eye. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe down below. I'm going to start posting a lot more videos, and I need like a lot of suggestions. So you guys need to tell me what to put on my channel, and I don't know, whatever you guys like beauty-wise. So thank you guys so much, and have an amazing night. Thank you.
Hold me tight, let me go, in my heart.